Hi friends, let's solve this simultaneous equation. Now, this is something as 2 into 1 over e, okay, minus 3 into 1 over f equals 1, okay. This is equation 1. And I can say let x equals 1 over e and y equals 1 over f. So equation 1 becomes 2x minus 3y equals 1. This becomes our equation 1, okay? We do the same thing to equation 2. Equation 2 is something as, I can write equation 2 as 8 into 1 over f, 1 over e, sorry, plus 9 into 1 over f equals 1 over 2. And we're having, when we make that substitution of x being 1 over e and y being 1 over f, we'll have 8x plus 9y equals half. I multiply 2 by 2, I will have 16x plus 18y equals 1. This forms our equation 2, okay? We just multiply 2 by 2, it becomes 16, it becomes 9 times 2 is 18. 1 over 2 times 2 is 1. Okay, so we'll have this. Look at the equation we're having now to solve. We're having to solve 2x minus 3y equals 1 and 16x plus 18y equals 1. Okay, these are equation 1, these are equation 2. Now, if you look at this closely, we will discover that the coefficient of x is 2 and the 16 here of the same sign. This is 18 for y minus 3. So I multiply 1 by 6 because 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so what I will do is I can wipe here from this point. Now, which 1 becomes, I multiply this by 6, multiply 2 by 6, okay, multiply here by 1, so that the coefficient of y and y in 2 and y in 1 will be the same, but with their signs reversed. To do that, I will have 12. 6 times 2 is 12. I have 12x minus 6 times 3 is 18 equals 6 times 1 is 6. Then 16y because 1 times 16 is 16 plus 18 times 1 is 18 equals 1. Then I add 12 plus 16 is 28x. 18 minus 18 is 0 equals 7. So I'm having x, I divide by having 28x equals 7. So x equals 7 over 28. 7 goes here 1, 7 goes here 4. So x equals 1 over 4. Recall that we're not looking for x but e. So x is 1 over e. So e will be 1 over x. Now, to calculate x, we have x equals 1 over e. So e equals 1 over x. That will give me 1 into 1 over 4, which is equal to 4. So e equals 4. Okay? Now we go to other equation 1. Let's use equation 1 to get our value for y. Okay? Y here. We have 2x minus 3y equals 1. So x is e, x is 1 over 4. X is 1 over 4. So 2x means 2 times 1 over 4. So we have 2 times 1 over 4 minus 3y equals 1. So we'll have 2 over 4 minus 3y equals 1. Okay, so we're having some wipe here. We're having 1 over 2 because 2 cancels to 1, 2 minus 3y equals 1. So 1 over 2 minus 1 equals 3y. Okay? So this gives me minus 1 over 2 equals 3y. Okay? I have y equals minus 1 over 2 divided by 3. Y equals minus 1 over 6. Now we're not looking for y, we're looking for f. So f equals 1 over y equals 1 over 1 over 6 minus, which is equal to minus 6. So we've been able to establish that all we have is e equals 4, f equals 1 equals 6. Sorry. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.